click here on home button and look at these guys. All scripts are added successfully. Just click execute, okay, and let's wait a little bit and let's... What's up fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. Let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here or let me just show you. So open your profile on your browser and just copy your profile link, okay? Super easy. Let's get back to the R tool, then paste it, and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, user found. So the next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the more video about Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these. For now, this is the best working method for Delta. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher of the app. I downloaded to complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happens, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this, okay? So let me open the game and let's test, does it actually works. Let's see, guys. Okay, let me play this Grow Garden and let's see. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and look at this, we have this panel, guys. So let me show you. So I'm now in the game and look at this, just click here and look at this. Thank you for using Delta. We have that message. Click here on home button and look at this, guys. All scripts are added successfully. Just click execute, okay, and let's wait a little bit and let's see the magic. So look at this, niches scripts are added successfully, guys. Look at this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.